Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, Bluetooth, heated front seats, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, cargo net. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish